Iyang Kasalelia Mangko. My name is Tanya Harris Joshua, volleyball alum and Mount Holyoke class of 1990. Volleyball was one of the few familiar things I found as I transitioned from high school on a tropical island in the Western Pacific to Mount Holyoke College on the east coast of the United States. I grew up on Pohnpei in Micronesia, where we played volleyball in Zoris and learned English as a second language. I still remember crying to my advisor, Penny Gill, that I was an admissions mistake, while she introduced me to the calendar organizer. As a freshman in the fall of 1986, I was too intimidated to go out for volleyball. But luckily, Coach Penny Curtis hosted an off season volleyball club, which gave me a much needed segue. I did try out my sophomore year, but honestly, I lacked certain skills that one usually acquires through years of consistent organized play, more common in the US than on small islands like mine. I did not make the cut, but I was back at Kendall again for tryouts my junior year, ultimately playing volleyball as a junior and senior, by which time I was also actively involved in student government and served as the SGA vice president my senior year. After college, I would return to Pohnpei, where I was part of the island's women's volleyball championship team. In 1994, we competed in the regional Micronesia Games against nine other Pacific Island nations and territories, such as Nauru, Kiribati, Palau, the Marshall Islands, the Mariana Islands, and others. We came in second place to the United States territory of Guam. Years later, I would coach my daughter's volleyball team in Alexandria's Fort Hunt youth athletic program, hoping she might catch the volleyball bug, to no avail. I did enjoy a volleyball thrill just before the pandemic when I bumped into former MHC teammate and celebrated athlete Michelle Johannes at Lowe's in Alexandria, Virginia. That is where I have lived since the year 2000, working in Washington, D.C. on policy and funding issues that impact the U.S. territories and the freely associated states. The time management skills and dogged perseverance that I had to develop at Mount Holyoke while balancing volleyball, academics, and culture shock no doubt continues to serve me today. Thank you and go Lions.